Hey loves, let's start the week with some skincare. Firstly, I'm going to be using some oil to just moisturize my skin because I want to get into some shaving. So I'm going to be using this shaving stick to shave off some dead skin and to just help clean up my pores. So now I'm using the Wonders exfoliating scrub to just make sure that all the dirt in the pores is out. Then I just washed it off. Now I'm using some aloe vera. It really helps to pack in some moisture. I have dry skin, so this really helps. I'm going to use mandelic acid. It helps to treat all the pimples that I have on my skin and just massage it. Now I'm going to use hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid moisturizes your skin, just packs in some moisture into your pores and just makes sure that your skin is dewy and glowing. Add some oil on top to just lock everything, pop in some moisture. I'm going to add some lip gloss and we're done. See you next time.